Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class once again. This is Rani Ranjan, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today again, I am going to teach you English grammar and composition of your class. Children, your new chapter is the comma. This is chapter number 4, the comma. This is the second video of your previous chapter. So let us continue about it. As children, I have explained about the comma, its rules and its uses, that where you should use the comma. Okay? You know that if in a sentence we have more than two similar words, we separate them by commas. For example, Geetu has 2 buttered toasts, an egg and a glass of milk in breakfast. As you can see, it is written here. Children, you can see here there are more than 2 things mentioned in this sentence. So what we have to do? As already here, the comma is mentioned. Okay? After the buttered toasts, because it separates from each other. Okay? So now let's know about these all the questions that what we have to do. Here in this question it is told that put commas in the right places. Okay children, what we will have to do? We will put the commas where it is necessary. Question number 1. John, Sonam, Ajay and Aslam are taking part in the race. Okay? So here you can see in this sentence there are more than 3 boys mentioned here. So what we will do? We will put commas where it is necessary. As I told you that when there will be more than 2 lists, 2 things, 2 names, then we will put commas to separate them. Here we will put comma after John. Okay? Because John and Sonam both are different boys' name. Okay? So after John we will put comma. After Sonam also we will put comma. Okay? And then you can see here that already and mentioned after Ajay. So there is no need to put commas. As we know that I have already explained about it, that if there will be 2 names, 2 lists, 2 things, then only we will mention and. Okay. In the second question, I am fond of playing chess, collecting stamps and watching television. Here also you can see that there are 3 activities mentioned here, like playing chess, collecting stamps and watching television. So again we will do whatever we have done in the previous question. So now again after playing chess we have to put comma. Okay children? To separate them, both activities. As here playing chess and collecting stamps both are different. So here we have to put comma, and then collecting stamps and watching television, here 2 activities and already and mentioned. Question number 3. Ma'am, the homework was very interesting. The boy is telling to his ma'am. Okay. So here also after ma'am you have to put comma. Okay. Because both are the different. One means in this sentence the boy is telling to his ma'am. Okay, about the homework. So here after ma'am it is necessary to put comma. Question number 4. Our train stopped at Mathura, Agra, Gwalior and Jhansi. Here you can see also children that more than 3 railway stations mentioned here. So here also as I told you in the rule that after each railway station we will have to put comma. So again after Mathura comma is necessary, then after Agra also comma is necessary, and then after Gwalior it is already mentioned and, so no need to put comma there. Okay. Question number 5. Where did you keep my bag, Jaira? This is the question. Okay. This is the question that where did you keep my bag, Jaira? Someone is telling to Jaira. Someone is asking to Jaira. So here also after the bag comma is necessary for this sentence. Okay children? So I think you all understood about the commas, its rules and its usage. So children, now here you can see there are 12 questions, and among the 12 questions I have explained about 5, and 6 to 12 you have to do at your home. This is your homework children, and if we will have any problem, any difficulties regarding this chapter, you can ask me, okay, and I will send you the answer key also after this video. Okay, don't worry about it. Whatever you will do, just you can complete these questions. Thank you children. Have a